Hello everybody, welcome to our channel Desi Maths Hack. Today we are going to understand a very important topic, and that is the profit and loss. So let's start the video. Profit and loss is everywhere. Suppose you purchase something and you gained profit on it. So there you get profit. But you purchase something and you sell it on a lower price. So then you gain loss. So let us know what are the main keywords for this chapter. Cost price and selling price. These two are the main keywords for our chapter, where cost price means on what cost the thing has been purchased, and selling price means on what price you are selling something. Now let us see how do we find the profit and loss. So for to find profit, we need to subtract a cost price from selling price, because you see that you on when you get profit, then you have a higher selling price and lower cost price. So therefore you get something money gained. And when you have to find profit percentage, then you have to multiply 100 with the profit you have gained and upon CP. Let us make it clear. Ye- to find profit percentage means what is the percentage profit that you have gained. So you have to multiply 100 with the profit and you have to divide it with your cost price. So that is your formula for profit. Now let us come to our loss. So let us see about loss. In to find loss, you have to subtract CP from SP, where CP means cost price and SP means selling price. You see, when you get loss, then you have a higher cost price and lower selling price. So that is the thing. And when you purchase something and you sell it in a lower price, so then you get loss. And to find loss percentage, we have to multiply 100 with the loss gained upon the cost price. We always keep CP at the bottom, at the denominator, to find profit and loss percentage both, because this CP is the main thing on which cost you have purchased the price. Now see, if you want to know the selling price and you have know you knew the loss percentage, which is R%. So how will you find SP? So to find selling price, you have to just multiply CP with 100 by subtracting R from it and dividing it with 100. And to find CP, you have to just multiply SP with 100 upon 100 by subtracting R. So this was all in this video. But one thing more which I want to tell you, that there are three things: selling price, cost price, and one more price is there, which is marked price. Marked price. So this marked price actually means on what price the item or the thing has been marked. So when you ever go in the malls or somewhere else, then you see that there are labels and there is there is a marked price. So that is the marked price, and you see it is written uh, MRP, which is full form is marked price. So this is the marked price, and selling price and cost price I have already explored. So thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.